Transform your living space into a tech paradise with the latest and coolest gadgets for your room that you can discover across the vast expanse of the web. Still playing pinball on your PC? Relive the 90s magic with this pinball machine. Well, you need to assemble it first, then equip it with electronic scoring, sound, and light effects. It'll take you about 12 hours. Good news? You won't need glue for that. Now use the ball launcher, watch the ball hitting various targets, and enjoy the colorful circus-themed design with LED lights. Or you might build a gorgeous retro film projector. This one's a bit easier, taking up to 8 hours to fully assemble. Since it's fully mechanical, you won't need any batteries. Just install the film in the special compartment and rotate the crank, the old-fashioned way. Pixel art's a classic now, so why not get a useful accessory to accompany you, let's say, while you're getting ready for work? Turn on your favorite radio station while making morning coffee. When it's time to get the job done, switch to the Pomodoro timer to increase your productivity, and during breaks, turn on your favorite music and enjoy the lights dancing to the beats. For those who want to go out after work, you better check the weather, either not to be blinded or get a good wash. Finally, if you need some other functions, customize the features using the Arduino IDE and its user-friendly API. This one's awesome for co-working spaces or for those who need multiple gadgets while performing their tasks. This charger simultaneously powers up to 8 devices with USB-C, USB-A, and wireless charging ports. The manufacturer claims it's a speed demon, charging an iPhone 13 Pro Max in 30 minutes and a MacBook Air in just 2 hours. Since the speeds are high, there's overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuit protection for safety. The built-in LED allows you to monitor the watt tracking. Going to work on your laptop for some time? Put your iPhone and iWatch onto the charging pad to give them some juice. Troubles with falling asleep? Transform your room into a starry sky and count the stars. This projector features a 2 million pixel lens with 95% light transmission, revealing universes, nebulas, and planets in exquisite detail. The 5K Ultra HD disc lens projects all that onto your ceiling, walls, or anywhere you desire. The angle's adjustable. There's a built-in battery, or you can plug it into a regular power source. Now turn on the timer and sleep tight. When you don't want to sleep, this projector creates the most epic background for your photo shoot. On which TV did you play games when you were a child? Perhaps a tiny one like me because your parents were afraid you'd burn the bigger one? I'll help you dive into the nostalgia of gaming's golden era with the MES. This mini TV doubles as a game console, bringing the charm of 8-bit classics to your fingertips. Packed with a library of over 500 games, it's a treasure trove for retro gaming enthusiasts. A 3.5-inch HD display ensures every pixel captures the essence of those beloved retro games. Okay, that's enough. Stop suffering and mirror the screen on your big TV. No one will yell at you for that. And grab a friend as it supports wireless 2.4G controllers for epic 2-player showdowns. Want to spend some time on your fluffy, puffy couch cuddling up with your phone or tablet? Whether reading, watching videos, or typing, this stand enhances your experience and posture in bed, on the sofa, or on a rug. It's compatible with all devices up to 11 inches. What you need is to pick the most suitable angle and place it comfortably on your lap. There are 3 things you can stare at forever: fire, water, and other people working. Well, this aroma diffuser is ready to provide you with the first 2 things. Pour some water and turn on the soothing LED flame light, casting a comforting flame-like glow. This way it can work for up to 6 hours depending on the mist settings. Of course, if there's little water, the diffuser will automatically shut off. Want a mini fireplace that brings warmth? This one's a space heater and an oil diffuser in one. Pour some ethanol and fire it up. Within just 5 minutes, the special Terra de Fiamma construction warms up, radiating cozy warmth throughout the room. Together, fire and warmth transform the simple act of burning fuel into an engaging display. A final bonus? You reduce the electric bill. Do you have kids, pets, or are you simply allergic to debris? The AROEVE air purifier is equipped with a potent HEPA filter that effortlessly filters out particles like smoke, pollen, dander, and hair, promoting optimal air quality and well-being. With dual-channel and 360-degree air inlets, this purifier achieves a swift circulation rate, refreshing rooms up to 215 square feet. And guess what? It's still quiet, reaching a mere 22 decibels in sleep mode. In case you want to infuse some delightful scents, there's an Aroma pad with a considerate 2,000-hour cartridge replacement reminder. This purifier ensures sustained health and safety. Are you into the cosmos? Let's bring some of it to your place. Defying gravity through magnetic levitation, this moon suspends and spins freely in the air. However, it takes some time to install it. It's not as easy as it seems. Crafted with lifelike precision using 3D printing technology, the moon lamp replicates the moon's craters and surface texture. Its 7-color RGB illumination adjusts via touch or remote control, creates dreamy and warm atmospheres for any occasion. Those who work with several screens and have a lot of video calls will like this stand. It's not just about improving your posture. Since you can adjust the height, you can achieve the ideal eye level for video calls or pairing with external displays for a bigger pic. Adjust the height from 2.5 to 6 inches for an ergonomic setup, accommodating all laptops and MacBooks from the 11-inch Air to the 16-inch Pro. What sets it apart is the discreet MagSafe charger holder, ensuring a clutter-free desk and juiced-up iPhone, AirPods, or iWatch. But what if several of them crave for some energy? Here's the solution: a powerful charging station that feeds several devices at a time. It perfectly suits the Apple family thanks to the integrated Apple Watch charger and Lightning output, but if you're an Android user, you can switch the connector to USB-C with the push of a button. This thing supports fast charging with 18-watt output, and of course there's wireless charging as well. The built-in chain coil pad makes sure that your phone starts charging no matter how you place it. Also, the built-in stand lets you use your tablet while charging. And there's another feature you should know about: the secret drawer on the side. That's the most accurate cosplay of a shrimp, I must admit, yet your back won't thank you for that. Well, this chair will make you sit right, whether you want it or not. No matter how you lean, it just snaps you back to the correct posture, reducing muscle tension and promoting a healthy seated position. Crafted in a comfortable saddle shape filled with plush yet robust cushioning, it guarantees an upright stance. The horseshoe-like stable base prevents accidental topples. You can even do a little workout while sitting right in the chair. Another thing that can perform several functions and take up as little space as possible? Yep, this time it's a ceiling lamp with 2 types of colors. Set the brightness, the temperature, and the timer so it'll automatically turn off. What else can it do? It can cool down the air since it's also a fan. Don't worry, it's still quiet when it's working. That's why you can install it even in a toddler's room. Speaking of that, the installation is quick and easy, as well as maintaining the lamp. Where are my keys? Where are my glasses? Oh my, where's the spatula? This wall sconce will help you bring some order to your house, whether that's a hall, a bathroom, a kitchen, or your room. There are 5 hooks to hang keys, bags, clothes, and so on. In addition, there are a couple of USB ports for your electronic devices. By the way, you can put them on the shelf above. Comfy. Lastly, emitting a cozy 3000K warm ambient light, it ensures comfort and functionality. Interested only in light? This wall sconce will illuminate your room 360 degrees with either ordinary or RGB lights. Cordless and rechargeable, it provides up to 20 hours of illumination. Last but not least, touch and remote control along with a memory function enhance user convenience. So you're the type who likes to chew on some snacks while sitting on the couch? How does it feel to sit on crumbs and spills? If not that comfy, put the silicone tray onto your couch armrest. There are several compartments for your phone, a remote, and even drinks of various sizes. By the way, one of the adapters can turn the tray into a tablet stand. In case you did your best to spill or crumble something, it's enough to rinse the tray under tap water. Don't feel your wrist after a 5+ hour working session? I found a couple of mice to help you with that. The first one's called Twister. Its ambidextrous design provides maximum support for both hands, encouraging a balanced approach to intensive mouse use. Besides its ergonomic edge, this mouse will regularly remind you to take short breaks for a healthier work routine, and when you're not using it, just fold it. It's that easy. Here's another mouse. You can't fold it, but it also takes little space and minimizes wrist strain and provides a more natural hand position for comfortable and efficient use during long hours. You still have your scrolling wheel and even 2 buttons near the thumb for better convenience, and I like those color modes. Can't wake up with the first alarm? What if it were a matter of life and death? Yup, just like in Squid Game, this alarm clock will jolt you awake, so you better get out of bed. Those with sensitive nerves may prefer a calmer wake-up, well, as calm as a 95 decibel alarm with a buzzer allows. Additionally, you can set the clock's color. Delicate flowers may choose this option to wake up or to fall asleep. You can listen to some calming music or turn on white noise. The sunrise and sunset light simulate natural transitions, aligning your biological clock for a more natural sleep-wake cycle. Lastly, it'll also charge your gadgets while you're resting. I told you aliens are real. Okay, just joking. It's a lamp that resembles a UFO. Now it's a lamp, and the next second it's a wall-mounted nightlight. No matter where you mount it, the saucer-like lamp head magnetically hovers, swinging effortlessly like a celestial visitor. You guessed right. This way you can adjust the angle. As for brightness, touch controls offer 3 levels, powered by a 2500 mAh battery with Type-C rechargeability. The lamp works for 5 hours at 100% brightness or 10 hours at 50%. Why would anyone need a self-stirring cup? Because convenience is the engine of progress, that's why. With temperature differential technology, it automatically stirs without batteries, ensuring the perfect mix for coffee, tea, milk, or powdered drinks. Activate it wirelessly or on a charging power bank for a robust stir. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the cup promises longevity and hygiene with an IPX7 rating for easy cleaning. Lightweight, it holds 9 ounces, making it perfect for home, office, or on the go. Looking for a coffee table for your living room? Consider the Aliving Coffee Table. With 4+1 internal open storage compartments, 4 drawers, and 2 sets of flip doors, this table caters to all your storage needs. The unique clasp design allows tool-free assembly, completing 80% of the setup in just 25 minutes, easy enough for anyone. Whether you and your partner need to work or your kid wants to help with their Legos, you'll always have the most suitable surface. Is your room dim? This smart acrylic coffee table features a body-sensing LED light that illuminates when you approach and turns off when you leave. With manual control for brightness and color adjustments in white, blue, and yellow. A nice bonus, there are several USB ports and even 2 regular outlets, so the table may double as a charging station too. Okay, Google, how do I decorate a room without spoiling a single wall? This nightlight might be the solution. It offers 3 light temperatures to suit your needs, but the key feature, of course, is that you can turn it into a shadow projector that creates a projection up to 5 feet. Additionally, with a set of pens, it becomes your personalized travel diary. Mark the countries you've been to and where you plan to go. Meet one of the most customizable lamps of all time. Right you are. This is a set of hexagonal panels you can assemble any way you like. Not enough? Get an additional set, no problem. Once you're done with pulling all the parts together, pair this thing with the app on your phone for a complete control over color modes, preset color scenes, brightness level, and so on. Or use the included remote for that. Or just pick that music mode when the colors react to your favorite song's beats. Insomnia again? Designed to alleviate the struggle of falling asleep, the Dome Classic features 2 fan speeds and customizable vent adjustments, enabling you to tailor your sleep environment. Whether you seek a natural sleep aid or a calming companion for a fussy infant, this white noise machine will assist you with that. Perfect for the work-from-home era, it also enhances focus and blocks out distractions. Plug in, unwind, and let the white noise machine usher you into a realm of peaceful rest and heightened productivity. Good music's playing, but something's missing. Lights. Elevate your audio experience with this sound level meter inspired by Nixie Tube aesthetics. It seamlessly blends retro design with modern technology. With microphone and line inputs, the level meter wirelessly connects to common audio devices, transforming your desktop into an energetic visual showcase. Simulating Nixie tubes with LED beads and glass, it achieves the same allure at a safer voltage and offers 9 display modes. For a more futuristic look, consider this option. It can be controlled with your voice or buttons on its body, featuring 18 light modes and various brightness levels for a customized aesthetic. To complete that wonderful set, I also suggest you put this RGB light on your desktop. Gesture control allows intuitive adjustments, while strong magnets enable versatile placement on magnetic or non-magnetic surfaces. Freed from plugs, the battery power supply offers unlimited positioning possibilities, seamlessly manage colors, brightness, and effects with the user-friendly Colo Light app. For those who aren't into RGB stuff and prefer something calming and soothing, this multifunctional lamp might be appealing. First things first, the upper part with the arc light is 180-degree rotatable, making it easy to adjust the light beam and use it as a stand for your phone. Is the phone out of power? Lay it flat to give it a boost. While it's charging, pair it with the built-in speaker and listen to some music. So many functions within a compact body. Thought of some unusual lighting in your room? Want to immerse yourself in the midst of hypnotic ocean waves and surreal northern lights? This kinetic installation with a rotating glass cylinder flings light flares around like a disco ball. There are several sizes to choose from, so if you're going to throw a party or transform your bedroom into a romantic wonderland, the biggest 32-foot cylinder will suit you best. With 16 colors at your fingertips, you can control the atmosphere. Just plug it in, turn it on, and let the magic unfold. Another multifunctional accessory to save space and bring order to your belongings. Standing at 63 inches, this lamp boasts 3 shelves for personal touches. Quick assembly in 10 minutes reveals 2 USB ports and a socket for convenience. The power-saving LED light promises 20,000 hours of warm, inviting illumination. Still not enough light for you? Illuminate your space with the LED touch table. Crafted from epoxy resin and wood, it becomes a captivating centerpiece, casting a magical glow around. Your fluffy ball will like it. Another project involving 3D printing? Simplify the task with this 3D printer. It operates right out of the box, plug and play, no leveling, no assembly required. Now choose from a constantly expanding library of ready 3D models or capture an image of the object you desire. The built-in AI takes care of the rest. Marvel at the impressive printing speed with a new printhead completing prints in under 20 minutes. Notably, the device supports multicolor printing. Additionally, the integrated 720p camera captures captivating time-lapse videos for effortless sharing on your social media platforms. Behold, Marvel fans, this one-to-one model of Tony Stark's famous reactor is so realistic, Tony himself wouldn't notice any difference. Crafted with precision from aluminum alloy and ABS, it features an adjustable platform with copper accents. Adjust the angle and control the white light and blue halo with a remote. Here's another reactor from the Endgame movie, and of course, it's backlit. Just push the button on top to activate the LED light. There are several ways to use the reactor. You can wear it as a necklace or put it on a stand to decorate your room. Add to that the Avengers logo and you'll get the most authentic item for your collection.